Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm so excited to help you set up your very own link in bio page. I know many of you are amazing crochet artists, and I want to make sure your followers can easily find all your beautiful patterns, your shop, and your social media channels all in one place. Let's get started. We're going to head over to linkapp.cc. It's a wonderful, simple tool to keep all your creative work organized. You can sign up for free, or if you already have an account, just log in with your email and password. Now that we're in the dashboard, let's make your page feel like you. Click on the Appearance tab. Here you can add your name and a little message for your followers, like, "Welcome to my crochet world." It's all about making your community feel at home. Don't forget to upload a sweet profile picture of your latest project to make it stand out. Next, let's add your social links. You can put your Instagram, X, YouTube, and TikTok links right here so your friends can see your latest projects everywhere you post. And for the design, just scroll down to the Themes section and pick something that makes you smile. I'm going to pick this lovely, vibrant bloom theme today. Now for the best part, the links. Switch over to the Links tab. This is where you can add buttons like Etsy shop or free crochet patterns. Just type the title, paste your link, and click Add. It's that easy to keep everything organized for your followers. And just like that, you're all finished. Click on your link at the top to see how beautiful your new page looks. Now you have a professional spot to share your love for crochet with the world. Take your time setting this up, keep practicing, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.